Look at your budget, and running payroll seems simple. A familiar number, settled every month. But that number is only the tip. Below the surface sits what payroll actually costs your business. Most of that cost is hours. Skilled people doing manual work, run after run, month after month. Instaroll changes the maths. The run is autonomous. Up to 60% less time, 80% fewer steps. The same payroll for a fraction of the effort. And because the run guides itself, it no longer needs a specialist standing over it. Anyone with sound business judgment can review the numbers and approve. So you're no longer paying month after month to build and rebuild that expertise in-house. Skill is no longer the gatekeeper. Neither is its cost. And it isn't tied to one desk, one country, or one time zone. One shared team can run payroll country after country. Manila handling France, Krakow handling Mexico, with no local specialist in either. So as you grow into more entities and new markets, you're adding volume, not headcount. Your payroll cost stops scaling with you. And none of this touches what you can't compromise on. The same trusted engine, the same compliance. Every run, audit ready. The savings are real, the risk is not. Labor, training, scale. The hidden weight beneath that one small line, brought right down. This isn't a discount on software. It's a real reduction in the total cost of ownership of your payroll. Instaroll, payroll that costs far less to own.